Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve this app required to enable the camera permission to function properly problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, tap on app list, find out or search camera app and tap on permission. Enable permission on camera app and go to camera app. Camera permission problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.